irrespective of what discussion we have, COVID somewhere, I mean, it's a part of the discussion. And even in higher education, students, now since the campuses are opening up and yours being a residential program, so I mean, what message would you want to give to those students? Like, how ready is the institute to open up? And I mean, is there any change or any precaution that you're taking up?
Yes, I think there's a lot. But let me also say that, as I mentioned, I'm involved very actively on the board of the high school, the Scindia School in Gwalior. Students have already started coming. And we have to be more careful because that is state laws as well. So class 10 and 12 students have come. They are on campus and we haven't had a single case. It's been 40 days. Before that, there were almost 300 people, faculty, staff, admin, there since March, not a single case. So lots of discipline. Really lots of discipline, not difficult, but discipline. Similarly, Indian School of Business, we opened up there as well, both in Hyderabad and Mohali. Lots of cares are going on. And in NU, because it's in Rajasthan, we had to wait for the Rajasthan government to permit. So while they did permit, they said from 18th onward, but we had told the parent that we'll give you 3 to 4 weeks notice because unlike many other places, our students are from all over the country. We are from deep south, east, we are west. So we wanted to make sure that students are staggered, and we have an outstanding head of administration, General A.K. Singh, and he's done to the last level of detail, not only for us, for Neemrana. Actually, NIT contributed to the setting up of a place for keeping local people in quarantine. We created outside the campus, we supported in that, and there's some workers who live not far away because they have the Japanese belt, industrial belt next to us. Those workers make their jugis. We were feeding about 500 families, but again outside the gate, so they are not permitted in. So we had the chance to work on this rigorously, and so that is what the institutions have to do. But I think there's a bigger role by the individual, by the student. So our activities, we tried to make them as much as possible to be student-driven. So now, as I said, the thing who's planning for this is already formed group of senior students. Virtually, we are discussing, everybody's connected. And the students will actually drive this on because we are fully residential. So we believe that you can't help a child grow radically in 4 years or 2 years if they're doing master's degree. We want them for 24 hours. So it's a 24/7 campus. And we want all these precautions to be driven by students. So every wing of the hostel, the corridor, students there will take this responsibility because we don't want a discipline coming from the top. This is self-discipline. It's self-discipline. So I think the precautions we have taken are enormous, and we are very satisfied with it. And I make sure that our General A.K. Singh is connected to the counterparts in the other institutions where I'm involved so they can compare notes and take care. And to the students, the only thing is the basic discipline I think the world is talking about is just those 3 things. Just keep your mask, keep 6 feet, and wash your hand. I think the world has managed with that very well. And so even though there is a word of vaccine coming, but people are lowering their defenses. That's the dangerous thing. We don't want a second wave in India. At least we don't want a second places where we are responsible. So we just want to make sure that students recognize their responsibility and that they manage this discipline. It's always easier to have senior students work with junior students. They always listen to them more than they do to teachers. It's an old story for all of us. So all that has to be done. I think it's very doable. And I guess also now we are seeing symptoms that the infections are falling. But other countries have seen and have had a rebound because people lower their defenses and start doing irresponsible action then time to time. So at least ours are gated campus. It's a closed campus. So that's what parents like about our campus because they come and see the place. They say, okay, here we know they're not running to a mall, not running to something. Everything is contained. And security, same thing with our school. And same thing, of course, in the Indian School of Business, it's a campus in a town. But we are working very hard to make sure that all the needs can be met within this and the students take responsibility because this is a training for them. I mean, these pandemics will come. People say pandemics will become routine. So the students self-discipline to do these basic things. They're not much, but just discipline. It's a habit. So So part of growth, when we talked about seeing people grow, we have a lot of things that happen. We have many spaces in the campus because it's a nice campus, the green campus. We declared the greenest campus in our third year itself. So there we have created a lot of outside spaces. As I told you, behind us we have a hillock. So, and between the campus and the hillock, we working with the government, we made it seamless. So there's no boundary.
Okay.
There's a barbed wire with many openings. Right? Other sides are because there are factories and so on. The other side there are boundaries.